Hello friend, how are you? Today I show him how to disable, enable and activate from device. Okay, and please this is Sujan channel and subscribe and like. Okay, see now is the panel. Okay, first go menu. This menu, first go menu. Okay, after you go this one, maintain. See, okay, after select the your panel and loop. Okay, now I see the go loop any device. See this one. Okay, any device. After go you control, this control, this is control. Okay, after that you panel have password. Okay, password have 001 1 2 3. Yes, that's mushkil. Okay, 500. After is done, this one done. Okay, you see disable. Okay, this is the activate. Same you need enable there, this ARM ARM. This is the enable any device you before disable. This one push and put the enter. Okay, now see this disable, they are coming enter. Okay, now I see the disable, they are enter. Okay, now I will push enter, this is the disable. Okay, but I will not put the enter now. Okay. Same like this. Okay, this is the Siemens panel. See, big